What's up, it's Susie, and today I'm showing you how to make my viral smoked jalapeno popper stuffed chicken bombs. These are incredibly easy, perfect for game day or anytime you need a little spice in your life. Let's do it. I've got 6 boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I've got 6 jalapenos with the stem removed, hollowed out, and we have a very simple filling. I'm gonna use half a brick of softened cream cheese, 4 ounces of medium cheddar cheese, shredded, and a couple tablespoons of my barbecue seasoning. This is my sweet rub. I have the recipe for this on my website, or you can grab a bottle from the store. It gives you a nice brown sugar, smoked paprika, garlic, onion, all of the good things right in there. Give that a mix, and your filling is basically done. We gotta stuff our jalapenos. I just like to do this job with my fingers. I just make a little kind of ball of my filling mixture, shove it down in there. Jalapenos are stuffed. It's time to wrap them in our boneless, skinless thighs. Now, when I first started making these, I actually like to use breasts because they were so big. They covered the jalapeno really well. Everything was working out great. But, you know, honestly, thighs just taste so much better. So I switched to thighs, and I haven't really looked back. The trick here really is just getting these wrapped and getting them to stay. The trick to making that work is tucking your bacon ends in as you wrap. So you kind of secure the ends as you wrap the bacon around. Now, each bomb usually takes about 2 pieces, so just make sure you're tucking those ends in as you go. If you find the tucking technique is not working out for you, feel free to use toothpicks. Just remember that there are toothpicks in before you serve them. Warn your family and friends, because what you don't want to do is have somebody accidentally biting into a toothpick when they think they're getting bacon jalapeno chicken bombs. Once you have it wrapped in bacon, I kind of just press them into this nice little cylindrical, almost football shape. I make sure that the ends are tucked so I don't have any cheese or gooey good things leaking out from the jalapeno filling. You'll have a little bit of leakage, but as long as we're tucked, it's not significant. And you just copy and paste 5 more times. So our bacon bombs are all wrapped, and they do actually look like bombs, but I have to read you the best comment I got on my website about these chicken bombs. Craig says, 5 stars, these really are the bomb. Probably why bomb is in the name. My wife has told me countless times this week this was the best thing I've ever made on the smoker. Thanks, Susie and Todd. You're welcome, Craig. They probably are called the bomb because they are the bomb, but also I think they look like bombs, and because when you cut into them, they burst open and they're filled with like creamy, cheesy, delicious goodness. So we're gonna hit these on the outside with some more of my sweet rub so the flavors on the inside match the flavors on the outside. And then we are smoking these today. I've got my charcoal grill rolling with 2-zone heat, about 275 degrees. I'm gonna hit them with some apple wood chunks because I really love those lighter fruit woods when I'm doing stuff like poultry, because it tends to take on a lot of smoke flavor. And we're gonna let these roll, usually take about 2 hours to get up to 165 degrees internal temperature, and I'm gonna baste these at the end with a little bit of sauce. This is just layers on layers on layers of flavor onto the smoker. Our bacon wrapped chicken bombs have been on the smoker for about 2 hours. They're clocking 165, which is exactly where I want them. I'm gonna hit them with my apple jalapeno barbecue sauce. You can grab a bottle of this in my store as well, or the recipe is on my website or on the Hey Grill Hey app. If you like making things from scratch, give it a whirl. You can see if you even enjoy the flavor profile, but the jalapenos in here with the jalapenos, plus we're using apple wood smoke, the apple and the barbecue sauce, you see, it all ties together. So we're gonna baste the outside of our bombs with the barbecue sauce, let them finish cooking to about 170. I like thighs about 175, and then we'll pull them off and slice them open, and we'll see why they're called chicken bombs. Look at these. Now, normally if I'm doing these as appetizers, I'll actually kind of slice them into individual slices so you can get the cross-section of the chicken, the jalapeno, the filling, the bacon. They're so beautiful. Or as a main dish, serve them whole like this, and every guest kind of gets their own surprise as they cut into these chicken bombs. You got this juicy chicken thigh. I love a chicken thigh. They're fattier, they're juicier than breast. They have so much flavor. You got this nice smoky bacon on the outside. Now the bacon is really fantastic here because it's not crispy bacon. This is really well rendered bacon. So it's soft, it's bite through, but you get all of that smoky, fatty porkiness. And then this ooey gooey filling inside of your jalapeno. And these jalapenos I actually like. They're not so overcooked that they're soft and squishy. They actually still have a little bit of texture to them, a little bit of bite, a little bit of crunch inside this super tender chicken thigh. These are so phenomenal. I've put together the perfect bite, saucy bacon, smoky chicken, creamy cheese and jalapenos. Those are never not fantastic. Doesn't matter why you call them the bomb. These are the bomb. I hope you give this recipe a try. Again, super simple, so much flavor, all the impact, and a really fun cook to boot. We'll see you next time.